I was born and raised in Des Moines. I graduated from Des Moines East High School, went to Iowa State University, and then I graduated from Drake Law School in 2001. I'm married and I have 2 daughters. So when I'm not working, I enjoy spending time outside, riding my bike, swimming, playing golf, and just spending time with my family. I treat my clients the way that I would like to be treated. With respect. I like to keep my clients informed because I would want to be informed as well. Return phone calls as soon as we can, return emails as soon as we can, and provide them updates throughout their case so they know what's going on. So the types of cases that I handle are injury cases, such as car crashes, motorcycle crashes, work injuries, dog bites, and other personal injury matters. The reason I wanted to practice in injury law is that I wanted to help real people. I did not want to help or work for corporations or insurance companies. I wanted to help real people with their problems and help them find closure with their injury cases. An example would be in a workers' compensation case where I had a client whose injury was denied, and because of that, he was not working and was not getting any weekly checks. And so what we were able to do once we got involved in the case and did our investigation and talked with the insurance company and their attorneys is that we were able to get the claim accepted. And we were able to get weekly benefits for that person so they could help pay their bills and provide for their family while they were recovering from their injury. When you call our office, they will treat you with respect. They will answer your questions the best that they can, and they will put you through to the right attorney that can help you out with your case. What makes our law firm different than other law firms is that we put our clients first, and we make an effort to keep in contact with them, return phone calls. We work very hard for our clients, and we get good results. And I think if you take a look at our reviews, you'll see that people are very happy with the work that we do for them. I think what I would like injured Iowans to know is that if they choose to use our law firm, they'll find out they'll be very happy with the results.